Kmioc. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Three River Survival. So what we're going to talk about today is this bad boy right here. This is a gun belt. This is a very simple and beautifully well done design. It doesn't have any type of crazy technology in there. There's no backer. There's nothing in there. It's just a very good 100% full grain leather belt. And I don't know if you could see that, but the thickness on this, she's pretty thick. So let's talk a little bit about it. It's 100% full grain, one piece, no filters. These are CCW belts, will never split like the cheaper versions of this belt. Made from 100% full grain leather. It can take you anywhere. It looks great. It's 100% real Italian leather. It's 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches Italian leather, no sag, no rollovers, no stretching. Everything you need for everyday carry. The belts are built to last for a lifetime. Recess stitching, 100-year warranty on these belts, so that's pretty good. 100 years, I don't think anybody's going to outlive these belts. Easy sizing. All you have to do is add 3 inches to your pant size, but if you go on Amazon, and I'll drop the Amazon link down below, it's really simple. You just look up your waist size and they just ship you the belt that you need. So full disclosure, this was sent to me by Kmioc. It was sent to me in this box. I have been wearing it for about 3 weeks now, almost a month, and I love it. I don't know if you can see the full grain texture in there. All right, the outside is a little bit more glossy, if you will, but they come in, I think, 4 different types. So this is the solid black. They have the solid brown. They also have like what I like to call that alligator skin ish, so it'll be like a little creased leather as opposed to the solid in black or brown. The best thing about these things is the cost. All right, so this thing costs between $28.99 and $34.99. All right, and you're getting a really nice gun belt. I do like the simplicity. I do like the rollover buckle that's here. I've never had a problem putting any type of weight on there. It will kind of form to your belt, so as you can see there, it will form to your body, and that's what leather does. That's why leather is so comfortable. I didn't have a problem with ordering. Again, I'm going to put the links down below. You can put some heavy duty stuff on here, guys. So if you wanted to, run a gun belt, go camping, go hiking, if you're let's say a policeman or someone that has to wear an underbelt, I think this would do you very well. Also, it looks nice enough to just go out in town or maybe even a wedding. All right, there's nothing crazy about it, but the fact that it has very thick Italian leather is going to hold up all the things that you need it to hold up, including your pants. All right, so like I said, guys, I am going to put the links down below. I think this is a great belt. I think you're crazy not to buy one. If you were not going to buy one for that cost, I don't know what else to tell you. It fits very well. The buckles are easily repairable. All right, so it just has these 2 Chicago screws, one on each side. So if one of the, let's say one of the screws falls out, no big deal, just send it back to the company or just replace it yourself. Again, you're absolutely crazy not to buy one for this cost. I think it's a great product and I highly recommend it. Please check out the links below if you are interested in this belt. Thank you very much, guys, and please like, subscribe, add some comments down below if you have one of these, and as always, stay safe.